Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am sharing with you the March Lollipop Box kit. It's called Spring Stories, and I'm guessing that it's all good for springtime journaling. So a lovely card from Lisa. She always sends it. By the way, before I move on, I'm gonna put this as ad gifted because as part of the creative team for the Lollipop Box Club, I've been given this kit for free. I've been sent this kit for free to share with you and also to make something creative with it and share via the blog post on the Lollipop Box Club website. And also perhaps sometimes I do share things that I make here on YouTube on my channel. So yes, so that is it. I will put the link to the Lollipop Box Club website on the description box below, so you can check the kits out. There's also non-kit items that are craft related, like stamps and papers and stickers. So yeah, so do check the website out. As you always have seen, this kit comes with a zine. It has the details for the Patreon and YouTube channels for Lisa and Eight, who's the owner and creator of the boxes. You also have recipes, online video classes when you join the Patreon, and so there's some online classes on certain tiers, sketch inspiration, and lots of journaling ideas that you can try. It also comes with like a cut apart whatchamacallit, kind of like journal cards and some spring journal ideas, like prompts. So as usual, I usually cut them apart or yeah, attach them to my journal. I use them in my journaling, and I always save these stickers. Oh, torn it this time. Anyway, so kits, let's see what. Oh, this is a nice vellum envelope. Oh, it's a nice vellum envelope that you can use in your journal, and it includes some, I think these are journal stickers. Yep, they are. They are like vintagey themed journal sticker, like a library card. Oh, that's really cute. In this little pocket there, that is so cute. And then you get a little treat bag and things that you can use in your journals. Bear with. Just to make sure that I'm not showing you something that I shouldn't be showing. Okay, so in this treat bag is your cut apart card, so you can cut this up and use it as an embellishment in your layouts. You also get some stickers. Oh, this is really nice motivation stickers. That is lovely. I love that. It says, don't be so hard on yourself. Reminder, don't let anyone ever dull your sparkle. Make yourself priority. Note to self, and I'm capable, I'm strong, I'm enough, and forget the mistake. Remember the lesson. Yes, that's really lovely. I love that. And you get like you get heart, like circle heart stickers that you can put on your layout as well. Some different colored grid paper, which lovely. This is nice. Get a few of them. Let's put them all together. Okay. And then this time you get a stamp. We get a little stamp. You can make backgrounds with this. Oh wow, you can create a background with this and just using like different colored ink, and then stamp it on the page like a pattern. Oh, that would be cool. That would be cool. Might try that on my journal. Oops. And then you get this little gypsophilia little dried flower thing in an envelope. I think this is a very pretty envelope. Oops. Oh no, what's going on? It's glued shut. Yes, it is glued shut. Oh, I will have to resolve that. Oh, there it is. Managed to free it. Oh, had a panic there. Yeah, that's lovely. Oh, that's like a little, looks like a wallpaper. I would be interested to know if this is a wallpaper. And then you get some a little card, says hello spring. Oh my goodness, these are the cutest. These are the cutest paperclip ever. Look at this, guys. Oh my days, these are cute. A teeny tiny little paperclip. They're so pretty. They're so cute. Oh my days. Small things amuse me right now. Right before I lose something, I must put it in this bag. I'm so sorry about my hands, guys. It's a bit colorful. I was working on another project or another thing. Yeah, I've been playing with inks. Oh, this is cute. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. This is a like nice decorative edge for your journal. You've got a little pom-pom there as well. How cute. And then you get these stickers from Mrs. Primbles. This is exclusively made for the Lollipopboxclub. Love the pastel colors. And a little tissue paper. Oh, that is so gorgina. Gorgeous. Oh, that would be good to be applied as a background. And then you get your papers. Oh my word, these are beautiful. Then you get a telephone message. It is a lovely thing to kind of document telephone messages if you ever get like a voice message. I still do have it. One particular friend always leaves a lovely message on my phone if he doesn't get hold of me, which is really lovely. And then the papers. Oh wow, I love the colors, the muted tones, but still springy, like pastel. I don't know, muted pastel. Yeah, it's not so bright, isn't it? So you get 2 of each. You can cut this apart. This is the washi cut apart sheet, so you can use these strips as washi tape or just borders on your layouts, and then you get these circle things and plain green paper. Right, I've got some ideas swirling in my head, so I'll be back and show you what I have made from this kit. All right, so here is my finished page using the Lollipopboxclub kit, this month's kit. I have made this little file folder that I can write things in, journal in, and it's hidden. And I've used the little trim and pom-pom thing to make this little cluster at the top of the tab. So it's just cute. So when you put it, so I plan to put it here, clip it here. It just sticks out at the top of the book. And then I've used an old sticker book, for alpha sticker book that I'm still trying to kind of like use everything. I am documenting about our present garden. Oh god, it's horrid right now. So I want to improve it, and I've put some inspiration that I've screenshotted from Pinterest. I've saved from Pinterest. I have used some of the stickers, old and new kit, and the grid notepad paper that was included in the kit. Yeah, and I'm really pleased with it. So it's now ready for me to journal on. And this file folder is clipped in by this so cute tiny paper clip in the page. So yeah, I am so happy how this page turned out, and I can't for the life of me clip this. All right, let me just clip that there. I should be able to clip everything. It was clipped before we started. Yeah, there it is. So yeah, I just love it. Love all the colors. Love all the inspiration for the my garden. Hopefully, because that's one of the things that I want to kind of like focus on this year, is to improve my garden or our garden. So yeah, if you look here, it sticks out. That pom-pom is so cute. So yeah, I hope you like what I've shared, and I hope you find inspiration, and I hope I wasn't out of frame. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing, and please do give me a thumbs up so YouTube gets to notice that I'm actually here. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a great week ahead of you.